Google Chrome, is there a keyboard shortcut to open a link in a new tab? Is it possible to open a link in a new background tab in Google Chrome with a keyboard shortcut? I know it's possible with Ctrl plus click and middle click, and I know that Shift plus Enter opens the link in a new browser window.
Ctrl plus Enter should work.
Shortcuts. For Windows and Linux, Alt plus Enter. For Mac, open a new background tab, CMD plus Enter. Open a new tab, CMD plus Shift plus Enter. Usage. You could use it the following ways. Highlight link, tab. Open link in new tab, Alt plus Enter, Windows/Linux, CMD plus Enter, plus Shift, Mac. Or jump to address bar, STRG plus L, Windows/Linux, CMD plus L, Mac. Type in URL or search term. Open in new tab, Alt plus Enter, Windows/Linux, CMD plus Enter, plus Shift, Mac. Source. Here you can find all Google Chrome keyboard shortcuts. Some of them are pretty useful.
Ctrl plus Enter, to open a link in a new tab and stay on the current tab. Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter, to open a link in a new tab and go to the new tab.
Type in your search query and then use the Shift plus to navigate through the search results. You would see an arrow appear near the links when you move through them. To open a link, hit Enter. Ctrl plus Enter would open it in a new tab. It would be great if there was a keyboard shortcut to open the first link directly in a new tab, something like Shift plus 1. I have not found anything of that sort till now.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.